beautiful people of the internet, and welcome back to my channel. This is the last video that I will be filming at the ripe age of 23. Like, I am pretty much having a quarter life crisis because tomorrow's my birthday. I will be 24. I don't think I have quite mastered the whole like adulting thing, you know what I mean? Like, I still definitely eat bags of pizza rolls like on the regular, but I'm hoping that somehow being 24 will put some wisdom on me, like, and just help me adult a little better. Basically, pray for your homegirl. So that said, I'm headed to Chicago this weekend with my wonderful boyfriend. I am so excited to get away for a couple days. We are staying at a wonderful hotel, which I will give you guys a room tour and everything while we're there, and I'm pretty positive, I think, if I get a memory card, because this one that I have right now is like really tiny and I need a bigger one because obviously like shots of me, food shots, vlogging takes a lot of space. So I figured today that I would just take you guys along with a whole little pack with me. I did post an Instagram post yesterday, which I will put right here. It's just kind of like the stuff that I'm going to be bringing. So basically, I thought that I might try a couple pieces on and show you, and just show you what I'll be packing for my birthday weekend. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you have not, today is the last day to enter my giveaway. It is a pretty much bomb giveaway. It is valued at $200. You need to go look at it because it's just, I mean, it's a free giveaway full of great stuff. I should just not talk today. It's a hot mess. Anyways, let me just readjust the background so you guys can see what I'm going to be packing. And yeah, let's get right into it. You guys enjoyed that little pack with me. I definitely am like so freaking excited. You guys don't even know. I'm not excited about turning another year older, but honestly, like, I am just blessed. I know that God has a great plan for me. I am putting all of my eggs into a basket, which I'm calling my dreams and my hopes and my work and my career, and I'm going to crush it the rest of this year. I've already been crushing it this year, which, like, you know, not to toot my own horn, but seriously, you know, like, staying humble and all, but like, I have worked this booty off. It's not off, like, I've squat, it's still there, but like, you know what I mean. Anyways, I'm off to eat my body weight in carbs for literally every day that I'm there. Hashtag no shame. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Thank you for another year of just wonderful, happy, positive goodness, and I appreciate every single one of you. If I could give you a piece, no, hold on. If I could give you an entire pizza, like just no matter the size, I would, because I love you guys that freaking much. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my birthday vlog.